The content and slide area is the most important area on the screen. It's the area in the center where you can see the slide you are working on. In Story View, it will show you your slide as it currently is built and have a light grayish background. If you have selected the ruler, you will see it appear on the left side and across the top of the content area. If there is an audio track for the slide, you will see an audio icon just to the left of the slide at the bottom left corner. You are able to place items to the side of the slide in the content area, but they will not be seen by the learner. At initial glance, it may not make sense to have an object off of the slide, but there are times you may want to include it. One example could be where you ask the learner a question, and you want to give them a specific amount of time to answer or think about it. You could insert a shape and give it an exit animation. Then you would give the learner the ability to continue once the animation is complete. Since no learning value is added by the shape, it doesn't need to be visible to the learner, but it does add value to you, the developer, so including it outside the slide area would be appropriate. When you undock any of the side panels, the content and slide area will expand to fill the vacated space.